Sermon number 209. When he went to inquire about the health of his companion, Allah ibn Zad-e-Rah, and when he noticed the vastness of his house. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. What will you do with this vast house in this world, although you need this house more in the next world? If you want to take it to the next world, you could entertain in it guests and be regardful of kinship, and discharge all your obligations according to their accrual. In this way you will be able to take it to the next world. Then Alabama said to him, Amir al-Mu'mineen, I want to complain to you about my brother Asim ibn Ziyad. Amir al-Mu'mineen inquired, what is the matter with him? Alabama said, he has put on a woolen coat and cut himself away from the world. Amir al-Mu'mineen said, present him to me. When he came, Amir al-Mu'mineen said, O enemy of yourself! Certainly, the evil, Shaitan, has misguided you. Do you feel no pity for your wife and your children? Do you believe that if you use those things which Allah has made lawful for you, He will dislike you? You are too unimportant for Allah to do so. He said, Amir al-Mu'mineen, you also put on coarse dress and eat rough food. Then he replied, woe be to you, I am not like you. Certainly, Allah, the Sublime, has made it obligatory on true leaders that they should maintain themselves at the level of low people so that the poor do not cry over their poverty.